Right, welcome back to Exploration No Experience, and we've got another project to add to the growing collection of projects not finished. Right, this is a Sinnis Max 2 65 plate 2015 reg 125 motorcycle, and it's in need of some work. Right, the old owner had it, brought it now, then come off it. You can see that's damaged, the light was damaged, and all of this is damaged. He come off it and then put it away in storage for 2 years, and he decided to spray it black to cover up the damage, as you can see. But this is broke as well, as you can see, the mudguard. We have got it running off a bump start, but it will not start off the key, which I've got in my pocket. Got a new battery for it. Let me just unlock the safety lock. So now, as you can see, I've got the key for it and everything. Yeah. So that's broke. Need to source one of them. If anyone knows where to get parts from for it, it would be handy to find that out, because I cannot find parts. It don't matter about indicators, I can get them, because you can get aftermarket ones, but I'm in need speedometer, because that's past gone. Look at it, broke, knackered, and that is, and a new light. I've got the light itself. The light itself's okay. It's the surround which is the issue. So yeah. And when he had the crash, he knocked off the guard off the exhaust, so it needs another exhaust. But I've already cleaned the carb out, which is all good. The starter motor works because we bridged it. We bridged it on. I bridged it. And where's the key? It's this side. Right. We bridged. And we bridged the terminals on there to check to see if the starter was working. On there, that one to that one. And it does, so I don't know if it's a bad stator or solenoid, whatever you call them. I'm not sure. So I need a test to see if this is any good. As you can see, it does need a lot of work, and in there, as you can see, I don't know if you can see, a bit rusty. But I have had it running. Right, we're going to test, see if the starter switch is any good, which is here. You know, the starter switch. I'm on a tripod at the moment, so I'm not going to show you the starter switch. So what I'm going to do is press the red kill switch to on, turn up, okay, turn the key onto the start position, like that. Mitchell's going to hold the starter button in. So what I'm going to do is come down to here now. And I'll just drop that there. Yeah. A bit lower.
So then everybody can see.
That's it, you should be able to see now. I might be able to zoom in a bit. There we go. Right, so I've got my multimeter here, as you can see. I've got it on just sound, so if we're making a connection, you'll hear slight beep. So what I want to do, I figured out that this wire here, this connector here, is the one which is going to the handlebars of M2. So where we're going to start, if you want to hold the button,
yep.
Switch down, key on. Yeah. So we'll start off at pin 1. Hold the red in there, the red probe, as you can see, in pin 1. It's a bit hard, a bit awkward. And test each other pin. So if we get a connection, and we don't, let's just make sure. Do it twice, just to make sure. You probably only can see my hands. So just testing each pin. As you can see, I'm just testing each pin. So red that one, and then I'm going to red Next one down now and test it. Test all the other pins. Right. Next one along. Bit awkward, really is. You need more than 2 hands. There we go. Oh, we got a connection there.
Yep.
So,
Connection.
switch, the red switch, see if it's there. There we go. So switch it back on now. Right, so that's what that is. So we know that that's working alright. Alright, let's check the next one. Right, switch your red switch again. That's another one to do with killing a bit. Right, turn it back on. Okay, so we know the machine, well, the bike machine is going to be killing itself. So press the start button again. And let's try here. This one comes out of it as well, you see, so hold the red onto there and just test all these again. Oh,
Yeah,
right, lose it.
connection.
Press it, turn that one back on. Yeah, press it again. Right, press again. Keep pressing on and off. Not that one, the other one. The start switch. The start button. You're pressing the start button.
Yeah.
Hang on. It's just getting a connection on this one. It's quite hard. Right, press that start button.
Yeah.
Pressing it.
Yep. Mm-hmm.
There we go. Right.
Yep.
Alright, loose. Press. Loose. It is a bit hit and miss, so I am a bit worried about it. Press it hard. See, it could be the way I'm holding the pins, holding it. But what we worked out is this one here. Hold that button in again.
Okay.
That one here and this one. It's a bit hard. I could do with some like smaller wire to stick in there. Press it in. Loose it. Press it. Yeah, it is very hard.
Yeah, like you
Push
said,
that.
hit or miss, isn't it?
So press. It's because the things are that hard. But what we've worked out up to here is that we do have a switch. Press it again. Yeah, press it again. It's hit and miss. One thing what's worrying me. I'm going to have to test this again off camera when I can actually see if it is. But it looks like we've got switch power. So there's nothing wrong with the switch. So we'll go on to testing the stator now.
Yeah.
Right then. I think we may have found the issue. That one, solid. I don't know if it makes a difference because I'm new to all this, you know I am. But should that, if anyone knows, tell me in the comments, should that move like that? I really don't think it should. So, I think that might be the issue. Because we tested the switch, as you seen earlier in the video. And everything. So, I think that could be the problem. So if you want to see more about this bike, it's 125 sinnis. Yeah, you can't see the sticker. It's the last person. If you want to see more about this bike, please like, share, subscribe, and tell me you want to see more. Because, oh yeah, a little update. On the Denmark. That's the one. Right, as you can see, it's filled, and there will be a video coming up shortly about that. So yeah, if you want to still see that one coming, it is coming. I've just been working on other things, trying to make a bit more room in the garage and stuff. So I'm using a ladder to keep my tools on and whatnot. Got all my sprays down there. I've got a Honda mower to do there. Yeah, pull cord's bossed, but I don't know anything else about it. There's the rest of a Denmark behind it. That's a Briggs and Stratton, that yellow one is. 4. And then we've got a still, an old still up there, and just some generic stream available, but still, I might get around to restoring as well. But if you do want to see more videos, please like, share and subscribe to this channel. And if you want to see a mobility scooter done up, let me know. Right, see you later.